AdvancedMD is a cloud-based electronic health record or EHR and practice management solution designed to simplify and centralize patient and practice workflows. This video introduces the main features and tools AdvancedMD provides, from scheduling appointments and documenting patient encounters to managing billing and reporting. It's ideal for healthcare professionals who need a complete, integrated solution for practice management. Advanced MD has become one of the leading choices for healthcare practices looking to modernize and streamline their operations. Its robust EHR/PM suite cover nearly all aspects of practice management, such as patient scheduling, clinical documentation, billing, and patient engagement. Built with scalability in mind, it suits practices of various sizes, from small practices to larger, multi specialty clinics. By utilizing advanced MD, practices can reduce administrative workload, improve patient engagement, and ensure accurate, compliant records. So, for the key features of Advanced MD, first is the scheduling and appointment management. Advanced MD offers a highly customizable appointment scheduling tool that allows practices to manage patient visits efficiently. The scheduler integrates with patient records, enabling quick access to essential information during scheduling. This feature streamlines the scheduling process, reduces no-shows by sending automated reminders, and optimizes the workflow by enabling easy rescheduling and appointment blocking for urgent cases. Another key feature is their electronic health record. The EHR in Advanced MD is designed to capture all necessary patient data, from clinical notes and diagnosis codes to treatment plans and medications. Its user-friendly interface supports customizable templates for different specialties, simplifying documentation. The EHR enhances documentation accuracy and consistency while ensuring patient data remains accessible. Custom templates help speed up documentation, improving the patient experience and reducing physician burnout by making it easier to document encounters quickly. Another key feature is the billing and revenue cycle management. Advanced MD includes a billing module that streamlines revenue cycle management with automated claims submission, denial tracking, and integrated billing reports. Practices can improve cash flow and reduce the risk of rejected claims. Automated billing processes reduce errors and administrative work. By managing claims in real time, practices can boost revenue collection efficiency, reduce overhead, and ensure compliance with billing regulations. Another key feature is the patient portal. The patient portal allows patients to book appointments, view medical records, pay bills, and communicate securely with providers. This feature improves patient engagement by giving patients more control over their healthcare experience. By encouraging patients to access their records and manage appointments online, the portal reduces administrative burdens on the front office while enhancing patient satisfaction and fostering better communication. Another key feature is its reporting and analytics. Advanced MD offers robust reporting tools for tracking practice performance, financial health, and clinical outcomes. Managers can generate customized reports that provide insights into key metrics, such as revenue trends, patient demographics, and operational efficiency. Detailed reporting helps practices identify areas for improvement, make data driven decisions, and monitor compliance with industry standards. These insights also allow administrators to adjust strategies to improve patient care and financial outcomes. Another key feature is the telemedicine integration. Advanced MD supports telemedicine appointments, which can be accessed directly through the EHR platform. This feature has become increasingly valuable as practices adapt to a hybrid care model. Telemedicine capabilities help practices expand their reach, offer convenient care options, and reduce patient wait times. Integrated telemedicine ensures that telehealth visits are seamlessly documented, maintaining continuity of care. Another key feature is the task and workflow management. Advanced MD's task management features help organize daily activities by setting reminders, delegating tasks, and tracking progress on various administrative and clinical tasks. With centralized task management, practices can reduce communication delays, ensure that essential tasks are completed on time, and create a more organized working environment for staff members. So, Advanced MD's integration of HR, PM, and telemedicine capabilities provides an all in one solution that can be tailored to the unique needs of different practices. By automating and streamlining complex processes, it helps reduce administrative tasks and ensure compliance with healthcare regulations. Additionally, the customizable interface and templates make it suitable for a wide range of specialties, enhancing both efficiency and user satisfaction. The reporting tools, in particular, offer practices the ability to track progress, set benchmarks, and make informed decisions to improve patient care. So basically, for healthcare practices looking for a reliable, comprehensive solution, Advanced MD stands out as a highly functional choice that covers every aspect of practice management. Its seamless integration of EHR and practice management tools, patient engagement features, and telemedicine support makes it ideal for providers who want to maximize efficiency while maintaining quality patient care. With Advanced MD, practices can meet the demands of modern healthcare, providing an enhanced experience for both staff and patients. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.